I'm going to show you how to fix a sticking drawer. This one sticks a lot. So there's several things. First thing is, take the drawer out and you want to clean these tracks. A lot of times there's dirt on the track like that makes the drawer stick. That's just like fuzz and built up disgusting stuff. And then clean the part of the drawer that goes on the tracks. This is an unusual drawer in as far as the track goes. Most of the tracks are in the middle, run down the center, but it's the same technique. So let's see if this drawer still sticks after cleaning. I bet it does. Yeah, it does. Okay, so second thing, take a candle, like a household candle. It could be one of those tea lights, take it out of the container, or a candle, and you want to run wax up and down the rails. And you want to run some wax down the part of the drawer that touches the rails. Let's see if it works yet. It's better, but it still has a problem. So, look at next steps for making it not stick. When drawers start to come apart just from being old with age, this part here is raised up from this. It probably was not like that originally. So what I want to do is try to, you have a couple options. If it's raised up a little bit like this, you can try to sand it down, but I'm going to first try to knock this back into place with a rubber mallet. And the other side has the same problem. So this likely is what is making this drawer stick, so we're going to do that and see what happens. Oh, there he is. It's video time. All right, so I'm just going to try to knock this back in a little bit. I'm going to use a rubber mallet. If you don't have a rubber mallet, you can use a regular hammer, but when you do, you have to use a block of wood or a piece of wood. If you just do this on your drawer, it's going to make dents and possibly break it. So when you use a piece of wood, it basically softens and distributes the blow so it doesn't mess up the furniture. Seems like it's maybe still a little far out, but we'll try it. And then same thing on this side. Before I even try to put this back in there, I'm going to sand it as well because it's not going to hurt, it can only help. And just taking a little bit off can help this drawer go in a lot better. One more tip is that you can also, instead of the wax, you can use the 3-in-1 oil, like the old kind, comes in a little can. You can use silicone spray, the silicone lubricant, so that will also help the drawer slide on the rails. They're both oil, so they're not going to hurt the wood. So let's see how this is now. I think that's pretty good. I hear it a little bit as it comes out, but I hear it a little bit, but it's not sticking. So there you go. I think that's pretty cool. Well, I'm glad this worked out because once I started this video, somebody called wanting to buy these tables. So thankfully I was able to make them stop squeaking just in time. They're going to be here in about 2 minutes. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Check back often. I put up new videos all the time. And if this did not solve the problem with your drawers, shoot me a message underneath and I will give you some further tips on what you can do and look for. Thank you.